This is the beast. Delta-Rockwell 20-inch bandsaw. This was a full restoration. This had been outside under an overhang at a school shop for several years. Paint was terrible, rust everywhere, completely repainted and de-rusted, lubricated everything, added a new Craig fence and a little custom dust collection here. This hose is removable with some magnets for easy change of blades and so forth. I did change out the motor to a 2 horsepower single phase motor. It's been pretty smooth for as old as it is. That was a fun project.